Suppose you have two Excel spreadsheets where one spreadsheet contains values you'd like to import into the other spreadsheet. This demonstration will show you how to do this using Excel's VLOOKUP function. To ensure the smooth transfer of data from our source spreadsheet to our target spreadsheet, there are three things we need to do first. We should ensure that both spreadsheets contain a common field. Our common field should be sorted in exactly the same way, whether in ascending order or descending order. And finally, we should clean up the source file so that there are no extraneous columns or rows. With the target spreadsheet selected, click once inside the first data cell of the column into which we want to import values. Then click Excel's Function button. Excel's Function Wizard is now open and ready to use. First, let's move the Wizard window out of the way. And then let's select the VLOOKUP formula. There are four variables needed in order to execute the VLOOKUP function. The first variable, lookup value, establishes the target file's common field. To set the lookup value, click inside the lookup value field, then select the first data cell in the target spreadsheet. Next, click inside the table array field and select the table array. The table array is the range of cells in the source file to compare and import. Then click inside the column index number field and type the position number of the column in the table array you would like to import. In our case, we want to import the second column in the table array, so we type the number 2. Finally, click inside the range lookup field and type false. This indicates we want Excel to find only exact matches for our common field user ID. Now if we hit the return key, our function will execute. Now the first value in our source spreadsheet has been imported to the correct column in our target spreadsheet. To extend the VLOOKUP function to all cells in the target column, click on the lower right-hand corner of the blue bounding box and drag that box to the last row of our spreadsheet. Now all values from our source spreadsheet have been imported to the correct column in our target spreadsheet. For further help with the VLOOKUP function, please consult the resources listed below.